In this edition of the feature video series, we will be discussing email alerts. So the way we have established our search for today, we will use a keyword search focusing on three of the most important sections of the patent: the title, the abstract, and what is being claimed, which is the claims. And we will focus on International Business Machines, which is IBM in this case, as the owner of these patents. Once you click search, in order to stay up to date on this new information moving forwards, two things to keep in mind. When we save our results to our workspace at the top right-hand corner here, developing, of course, a project and then adding that specific organization as part of that folder and turning on the automatic update at the bottom here gives us the ability to see these new updates in the workspace environment. In an email setting, on the other hand, you'll find that there is a set email alerts section at the top right-hand corner here that gives you the ability to simply receive or send emails to others to get those updates. Certain templates are being provided, but if you click on the customized content over here, you can actually see the type of notifications you can receive, from things getting published to granted, things that have changed assignment from one company to another. In the case of IBM, we also are able to see if they enter any potential lawsuits or litigations because of the patents that they have published. So this gives us a plethora of options that does not strictly rely only on new publications, but also things that are associated with those publications. One thing I like to point out is at the very bottom here where you can send those alerts. You can add the emails on the individuals that you wish to have the emails sent to. They do not need a Patsnap account to be able to receive those. The frequency below here is where you're able to adjust when those emails are sent and in what day of the week or day of the month. And of course, there is the send the alert if there's no updates for those that are trying to stay up to date in case they're looking at it from a weekly basis. Has there been any new publications or not? It's an option that can be provided as well.